in Colorado. It's blowing everywhere. Oh. So I'm walking right here. It blew to all the way up here. It's blowing. I don't know if you guys can hear it. They said it's supposed to snap trees and bring down power lines. It also turned off our power for a little bit. Came back on, thankfully. I'm scared to even walk out. Already bringing down some branches. Oh. Oh my God. And we have that slushy snow, the slippery snow, which is never good. Look, it literally just it's coming up. See, it's drifting all the snow out here. Oh, it's coming up. It's getting bigger. It's supposed to get bigger or harder at 2 to 7. So we'll see from there. Woo! What happens, even on the rails.